స్పిరిచువల్ కూడా కొంచెం భక్తి భావం ఎక్కువైనట్టు ఉంది.
భక్తి అది ఎప్పుడో ఉంది. It was always there. Bhakti, yeah, I'm not in Bhakti Pada, by the way. I don't have Bhakti in me. I'm a very spiritual person. Technically speaking, I find, the Bhakti and the different paths in Sanatana Dharma. I don't think I'm in Bhakti. I go to
డైరెక్టర్ గారు
temple.
మొత్తం సినిమా అంతా సనాతన ధర్మ దాన్ని రౌండ్ అప్ తోటి తీసుకుంటున్నాడు కంప్లీట్. మీకేమైనా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యారు ఎక్కడన్నా మీ పర్సనల్ రోల్కి దీనికి?
Of course, Sanatana Dharma is a way of life. It's not something that. So this is what I love about Sanatana Dharma. It is not about. How do I put this in a very simple way? See, what Sanatana Dharma does is, you understand God in your own way. Okay, not necessarily you find God in a temple or in not that. It just lays out the path through which you can explore it by yourself. It's not what you eat, it's not what you drink, it's not how you pray, it's not how you live. Even in this path, in the dharma, it's a way of life. And then what I have understood is, especially there's a book called Siddhartha. That's one book that has really inspired me a lot. So Siddhartha he was there at the time of Buddha, and he has met Gautama Buddha, but didn't take him as a guru. Instead, in his path, later on, years later, when he was on the banks of a river, he started talking to the river, and he felt that the answers are coming from the river. Basically, the answers are coming from within.
బాగా ఎక్కువ స్టడీ చేస్తుంటారు సనాతన.
Yeah, I study. I always study. I never stop studying. I keep studying. I keep learning. That is there. That is parallel.
దట్ ఈస్ సపరేట్.
Separate కాదు, అది మెయిన్. అది మెయిన్. So this is something that this I found a way to blend cinema with this, because see, Natya Shastra explains what is art. So I just apply that. I try to apply, not completely. I'm not that anta goppam kaadu nenu. I try to apply that. When you act, when you do a form of art, you should be able to transport the audience and yourself into a different dimension anedi Natya Shastra. So it's a similar thing that you're doing. See, this is that's what I told you. Fundamentally, we are all artists. All the technicians, us and everything. But the moment we blend and we get into the other things of the success ayinda leda enta dabbu ochindi ivanni, then you forget. I would say nobody should forget that they are the beauty of art.